This tri-dip recipe came about after I received a food wish for roast beef, which can be done with many different cuts. I ended up deciding on beef tri-dip since it's affordable, flavorful, great for parties, and using this low-temp roasting technique, nearly foolproof. No marinating, no searing, no nothing. Just rub on some salt and spices and pop it into the oven until it reaches the doneness you want. Ingredients to tablespoons kosher salt, 1 tablespoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh rosemary leaves, 1/2 and a half pound beef. Tri-dip roast 1/2 cup beef broth optional. Preheat the oven to 225 degrees F 110 degrees C. Mix salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne, dried rosemary, and fresh rosemary together in a small bowl. Place tri-dip in a baking pan. Season generously with the spice rub until both sides are completely covered. Bake in the preheated oven until an instant thermometer inserted into the thickest part reads 130 degrees F, 50 degrees C for medium rare, or until desired doneness, 1.5 to 2 hours. Flip meat over halfway. Cover pan with aluminum foil and let meat rest for 20 minutes. Remove tri-dip to a cutting board and cut into 2 pieces along where the grain changes direction. Slice meat across the grain and transfer to serving plates. Mix beef broth in with the pan drippings and drizzle over the slices.